I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase watermarks in video. First, let's understand that watermarks can be static logos or dynamic text. Many video editing software offer tools to tackle this. We'll explore methods like content-aware fill and inpainting. Remember, always consider the original creator's rights before modifying any content. Our goal is to achieve a clean, professional look while respecting intellectual property. Many professional video editing suites offer powerful tools for watermark removal. The inpaint feature is excellent for small, static watermarks, intelligently reconstructing the background. For larger or more complex watermarks, content-aware fill can analyze surrounding frames to seamlessly blend the area. If precision isn't paramount, a simple blur or strategic crop can also effectively obscure or remove the watermark from view. The process begins by accurately selecting the watermark. Use a mask or a precise selection tool in your software to isolate it. Next, apply your chosen removal method, whether it's an in-paint effect or a content-aware fill. It's crucial to preview the video frame by frame to ensure the removal is seamless and doesn't introduce any noticeable artifacts. Adjust parameters like feathering or opacity for a perfect finish. To avoid these steps, always prioritize creating your own original content. If you must remove a watermark, be acutely aware of copyright laws and intellectual property rights. Unauthorized removal can have serious legal consequences. Strive for the highest quality output, ensuring the removal process doesn't leave behind any visual glitches or reduce the video's overall resolution. Ethical considerations are paramount in all video editing endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.